live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we're just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We're not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good morning. No matter how hard I try to come early, it never seems to work out, but I did my best. Woke up today at that's good. Woke up today at 6:30. Was hoping to stream by 7:30. Had work to do. Like I said, didn't work out. What are we doing? We're running the Mad Mantonio algo on one of the Apex accounts. It took one trade so far. It's up $84. Very good. And we're going to set up the trade copier. It's only going to copy to one trade. To one account. And the leader is going to be a PA account. So that way, if it screws up in a PA account. It doesn't screw up in the leader account. The leader account's always on target. Okay, we'll see how that goes. And I'm going to try to increase it to 2 PAs and... yeah, I think that's good. 2 PAs and 2 eval accounts. That's what we'll do. Take a look at the 15-minute chart. What do we got? Oh, baby. Well, if you guys remember yesterday, I told you we broke the Asia session lows and the Asia session highs, which means there's an 80% chance, even though we're trading above the overnight high, the previous day's high. Let me change my cursor. Even though we were trading above the previous day's high, which is the green dash line. This was pre-market, around 9 o'clock. I said we have an 80% chance we're going down to, if I remember the price was 440. Let's check it out. There it is, 21,440. And we hit it. We have the same thing today. We hit the Asia session highs and we've hit the Asia session lows, which means we have an 80% chance of getting up to 21,834. That is 150 points from here. Whoever is in here at this early in the morning just got some valuable information. And not only that, wow, look at that. We're trading above previous day's high. That's also bullish. Okay, so bullish. That's what it's going to be today. We're going to trade a little more aggressively on the bullish side. For a minute there, I thought my mic was closed. I didn't do a sound check. You know what? It's been a really long time I haven't checked my mic settings in Windows. They like to play with it. Should be number 88. 88. Perfect. Windows isn't playing with my mic settings anymore. That's fun. And I think as far as the sound check goes, I think everything is good. Maybe we're going to play a little music today. Let's check it out. Let's first get on the mic. That sounds loud enough. You're going to have a little bit of an echo. Don't worry about it. It's going to go away. Thanks for that information. Oh, I didn't close it. There's going to be an echo. Thanks for that information. Oh, I didn't close it. There's going to be an echo. 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 Yeah, Bama, if you're talking about that 80% thing, that is a phenomenal little piece of information to have. And if you look back, it really does seem to work out at about 80%. Just grab a random day. Here we go. Ooh, so close. So close. Hard to say. Tap the bottom, tap the high. The Asia session is the gray box. Tap the high, tap the low. Market's open. Boom, went back up to the high. That's the first day. This is as far as back as I'm going here on my thing. What did we over here? We tapped the high, we tapped the low on this one. Boom, went back to the high of the Asia session. Well, the Asia session was only there. But yeah, once you hit both sides, tap the low, tap the high. Remember, oh no, wait. That's the US session. Sorry. Tap the low, tapped into the high, and boom, it took till the end of the day. That's the little trick, though. You don't know when it's going to happen. It could happen at 3:55 p.m. We could trade down all day long. I got a nice sell earlier, need a buy, but I think we could get some manipulation first. Yeah, that's always the thing with the markets, eh? They fake out as many people as possible before they do the real move. There's always the real move sometime during the day. Right now, higher swing lows, sorry. That gets confusing. Higher swing high over here. Let's check what's going on with the 5-minute chart, because the 5-minute chart's running the algo. So I want to keep an eye on that. Let's set it up on the 15-minute chart also, but on Sim 103. Okay, we'll watch it on the 15-minute chart, see how it does. Oh, I got to reset. You know what? I'm going to put it on Sim 102 because it hasn't traded yet. It's at 0. I want to be able to track it properly during the day session. Yesterday, that's that $530 negative. That's the algo trading both the 15-minute and the 5-minute on Sim 103 in the evening session. I find so far, and Bam, I think you were there almost every time I traded in the evening session, version 1 works. This is version 2. It's the invert of version 1. Does the opposite of version 1. Version 1 buys, version 2 sells at the exact same trigger. And it's funny, I find that version 1, which is the trend trader, does very well in the evening session, and version 2, which is the counter trend trader, does well in the day session. But anyways, we'll watch. It's still early. Still very early. I haven't even done a week of trading. Good morning. Yeah. Maybe I need more coffee. Coffee or water? Coffee or water. I have to drink with a straw. I got punched in the mouth yesterday, and I can't really open my mouth fully. I got stitches on the other side. Can't eat any solid food. NVIDIA earnings. Anything can happen. NVIDIA, didn't they come up last night after 4 p.m.? Wasn't that the reason for the move? This here? I think NVIDIA earnings came out already. Can't confirm. May no, Bama. I'm always joking. What you need to say every time I say something that you doubt, you should say, he's telling another story again. Now, there will be sometimes I tell the truth, but probability-wise, you'll be right 90% of the time, rather than believing me. If you believe me, you'll only be right 10% of the time. You're always going to be wrong a little bit, or sometimes, but you're better off going with not believing me. Good earnings is normally a sell, but do we push to sell? Hard to say. Yeah, it's always next day after earnings. Today will be hard to trade. I hope not. I mean, 5 minutes gonna potentially give me a bullish bias pretty quickly. A few more points up. 1 minute's probably bullish already. I don't have agreement on the Renko charts. The lower time frame is bullish, the higher time frame. So it's not in agreement. It's kind of like the 15 and the 5 or the 15 and the 1. Not in agreement. Let's get in agreement. That's when we'll get the better trades. It's institutional payday. Good luck. See you later. Yeah, I'm going to come into your room. Don't worry about it. I will chit-chat. Read your chat logs. You don't comment to the chats enough. Okay. Not a financial advice, by the way. Entertainment only. Uh-oh. Fuck, it's gonna do it to me again, eh? You fucking cocksucker. Second time. What's it gonna do to me? The 5-minute chart's gonna go long right on the open with the algo. Maybe I should wait till 9:35 before I take a trade. What do you guys think? Let's take a poll. I have a few minutes. I have 4 minutes. Start poll. Should I allow the 9:30 right on the open algo trade? There we go. I think I wrote a logo, but you know what I mean. Yeah, a logo. Algo trade. Let's see. Let's see what we get while we open up our browser. Go visit our fellow streamers. Yes, unless you put a sell limit at 7:30. It is going to be a limit order. It's going to be a limit buy. No, it's going to be a stop limit buy. But only 2 or 3 ticks above the close. I already know that. Fuckers, you all saying yes, eh? You want to see blood in the streets. Everybody likes to see a car crash, right? You never know. I may get lucky. I may get lucky. It may go in my favor. It's been known to do that. Okay, we let it go. Theoretically, though, I would say it shouldn't. I really shouldn't take the trade. The 9:30 to 9:35 candle should be the first candle that determines whether or not a trade should be taken, not the 9:25 to 9:30 candle. But it's all good. It ain't going to change anything. And I got to get my position screen open so I can watch my copy trader. First trade must be small. Actually, you know what? It might even put me into the first trade right now. You know what? I'm going to go in, get it over with, get the error over with. And we'll stay long. We'll see what happens. I might even add. Okay, I'll add. There we go. Let's see. Hopefully I get lucky. Actually, if it goes high enough, the algo won't even enter the trade. Let me get up to plus 20. Unrealized. 76. Hey. Sell limit 1. 83. Let's see if that order is in on both. It is. Wow. Positions. Look at you working like a charm today. Market's open in 30 seconds. Can I put in a sell stop at 65? Okay. Let's check the orders. Okay, it's working both sides. Let's see what happens. And I'm going to watch the algo. Boop, boop, boop. Nope, didn't get in. Tell you why the algo didn't get in. It's supposed to be long. It's supposed to be long a 5 lot. It didn't get in because the order was above the stopped out, right? First one. Cocksucker. Okay. Well, I'm manually running the algo because, wow, look at that, eh? Okay, and Paul, you guys are merciless. You know I have to hold this trade for 5 minutes, eh? That's okay. That's okay. I'll make it back. Gold. I think there's a trade in gold. There is a trade in gold. So let me get on the gold chart. Let me take it on the algo account. Come on, gold, gold, gold. YNQ, gold. I'm going to miss it. Let's do 5 lot also. I got in for 2. Okay. Well, any little bit I add with gold is good, right? Oh, okay, there we got in for the 5. So I'm long at 44.9. Gold is long at 45. Okay, so at 46, I could dump a little 2 lot. There's 46. Wow, you're killing me. You guys made the wrong decision. I'll never listen to you guys again. It's almost funny, eh? I almost have to sacrifice the entire account at this point. Wow, gold made 154 bucks on that tiny little trade. Kudos to gold. Too bad I'm getting slaughtered with the does anybody want to apologize? Let's do that a poll. Uh-huh. Oh yeah, it's true. Hey, let me go see what. Wow, what a move on the open. That's rare that you get a move like that on the open, even for the 1 minute. That's crazy. Okay, another minute and 56 seconds. Who knows? Maybe I'll get lucky. Maybe I'll get lucky and it'll come back. That was a move and a half. Okay, we're up 21 points from the low. That's a massive loss. Makes me wonder if I should put in a stop loss. But I don't think so. Where'd we go? We went from 671 to 580, almost 100 points. But you're not going to get 100 points during the day. It's only on the open. That was the mistake. I didn't mind doing it, but yeah, no, definitely the first candle should be the 930 to 935 candle, not the 925 to 930 candle, if you know what I mean. But that's why we run testing. That's how we find out. That's how we make good decisions, guys. Apex extended their 90% off sale. So that's good for me because I'm going to be getting a couple more of the accounts so that I can match. Hold on, I might be getting a short. Oh, shit. You see, that's the problem. I can't take a short trade. I was going to say I might be getting a short trade, and that's the problem also. Once it's in a trade, I can't hedge. No kidding. That's funny. I mean, that's not funny, but That's yeah, that's not good with MFF. Okay, is the time over? Yeah, the time is over. We got to take this loss. Go up a little bit more, hopefully. Come on, a little bit more. Let's get it like, let me get like 11. Not the wrong way. I want 11. And now I'm supposed to be short. There's 11. Get me out. There we go. Hey, hey, what are we going? What are you going? What are you doing? What are you doing? And now I can try and take my short. Fuck, I missed it. You cocksucker. I'm gonna have to put the algo on another something. I don't know what another something is, but another something. Either another platform or a different firm. Oh, I'm not on my positions tab. Okay, it's in sync. Let's see if we can take out the US session lows on my last piece here. Gold is along again. Let's go long gold. Gold is long at 43. I'm long at 43.3. I don't like that. Can we get out? Why did I get out? I got out because it was 43. Look at it go. Gold is the bottom chart, the white chart. I got out because my fill was no good. Hmm. Change the risk profile. I really got to take only trades that maintain the proper risk profile. Gold is no longer a long. Huge divergence on NQ. Really? You're right. I see it. I see it. I see it. And we got below R1. We're coming right up to the previous day's high at 21,563. That's usually a bounce spot, almost always. Okay, that pull was silly. I'm ending that pull. And yeah, I see what you're talking about. I see what you're talking about with the divergence. Okay, we have some good volatility here, so let me get up Bulenox and see if I can pass a couple of accounts. Fix that. Let's go see if Joker is streaming. Wow, nice move down. I feel like I'm missing it. I feel like I should short again. Still not streaming today. Wonder if he's hanging out in somebody's channel. It's a good break though. Sometimes to take a break from streaming. We took a break from the co-streams in the evening. Felt good. I was a little bit tired. Uh, I was just gonna click sell. Hey, I thought that was my son talking to me. It was OFD. I thought my son came out of his room and was talking to me. Uh, yeah, I agree. OFT was saying that we should be holding this level. Yeah, it's definitely, let's look on the 15-minute chart, but it's the previous day's high. However, looking at the 15-minute chart, I'm seeing previous day's close just like 40 points away. So I still think we're going to get a little bit of a bounce, maybe 10 points, maybe get up to 75, 85. And then previous week high also. No kidding, Al. Were you in for the vote? For the vote? When I asked if I should allow the algo to take the trade on the opening candle, the vote was three yeses, no nos. I got clobbered. Clobbered. Nah, it doesn't make sense. As I said, it doesn't make sense. I should wait for the first 5-minute candle to close. It doesn't make sense to just jump in randomly. Even, I mean, it's not randomly, it's with the algo, but it doesn't make sense to take a position. I mean, look at the volatility on all these previous candles, and it's based on the volatility, and then it gets crushed. But we did it. We did it as an experiment. Okay, pulled out a little bit on that also. That's okay, just quick. That was a quick scalp. I could, should, would have held for more, but like I said, I'm selling right at the previous day's high, and Alex said the previous week's high also. So not really the best trade location. That's a reason to stay away. Let it move away a little bit. There'll be more trades. Al, I don't know if you were home. Did you ever hear the news? You know Bubba's Book of Spells, that handwritten one that we have. Do you remember it? You remember seeing it? Okay, bouncing into previous day's close. 21, 525, 524. Gold, is there anything I can do with gold? Gold is a short. Let's see if I can get filled. Gold is a short at 339. What am I offering at? 338.9. I missed it. It's already $1. You see, if I would have had my offer in, I could have got filled. Okay, kind of playing in the vibrations, trying to sell at 50 around, trying to cover it in the low 40s. There's a cover. Let's see if it goes back up to 50. Apex. Why is Apex in a trade? Oh, my gold trade triggered. I forgot about it. That's so funny. That's so funny. Okay, so I got a 6 lot. Hopefully gold tanks. Come on, gold. Make me proud. The stop is at 40, so I have a 90-cent stop. I'm short at 9.1, 39.1. Stop is at 40, at 38.1. There we go, 38. I covered half. Let's go gold. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Tank. Tank. I mean, tank. Go down $5. It'll be a $150 trade. Uh, 337. I'll take another one off. Still managing my goal. Let's get into the 336s. Take another dollar. Meantime, I'm still watching NQ. I guess I need a little bit of a... Oh, no, wrong way, Mr. Gold. 338, 339, 340. Really? Still? How can I still be 340 at my stop? Oh, fuck off. I'm going to take another piece. I'm going to take it all. There we go. Managing my loss. Sim 102, that means I see Sim 102 is trading. That means the 15-minute chart is in a trade. And it's long. Wow, look at that, long right at the previous day's close. Interesting. This trade's going to be going for 15 minutes. We'll keep an eye on it. I'm wondering if I should take it. I'm wondering if I should take it. How much is it ahead? It's Sim 102. Now it's behind. You know what? Let me look at the 15-minute chart and see what's going on here. Why are we heading? So this is the fake out before we go and take out the Asian session highs again, right? Right? Because there's an 80% chance we're taking out the Asian session highs at 833. Doesn't matter what the market does. And what the market does do is it really likes to be convincing in its fake out move. And this is a pretty convincing fake out move. But anyways, we'll see. And remember, 80% is not 100%. It's only 20%. I mean, it's only 80%. There's a 20% chance it doesn't play out also, eh? We have a tendency to think that 80% means 100%. Oh, it's 8 out of 10. If I pull out a ball from a bag with 8 black balls and 2 white balls, I'll certainly get a black ball. No, you'll get white balls 20% of the time. So really, gold didn't do much. But you know what? Gold paid me nicely today. Happy with that. Gold was kind. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's look at the daily. I don't know. I mean, that's a wiki candle. That's an inverted hammer, I guess. Shooting star. Who the hell knows what they call it? Can't really make any conclusions with the volume here. The unbalanced volume. Maybe we can make one conclusion. I'll tell you what conclusion we can make. This candle right here has swept the highs, but the volume didn't sweep the highs. Volume's lower. That's the one conclusion I think I can make from this. So yeah, we may be stalling out. Maybe we're going to make another run lower to the 100, 200 period moving average, 50 period moving average. They seem to all be converging around 20,500. 5-minute chart. Are we going to get a trade? Still no. And the 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart is having a big loser also. Well, there's a long time left in the 15-minute trade, 9 minutes and 26 seconds. A lot can happen. Gold just took a loser. Yeah, I'm thinking, eh? I'm thinking. OFT is thinking about longing it, but you know what? I'm not a counter trend trader and I don't want to become one. I don't want to become one. I've gotten in too much trouble. Let's go see what Omnius is doing. This shit I just had to do to get the money that they slipped me earlier is ridiculous. That's funny. Hey, look, Sim 102 is in the green. It recovered. The 15-minute trade. And that's a pretty wiki candle there, too. So Sim 102 is long. I can still take a short, though, because that's Sim. So that's not hedging. It's only a problem if... Okay, enough chatting. Let's see what's going on. 102 now is showing a nice trade. Still 6 minutes in the trade, but up 127. That's not bad. Hopefully, if I want to go long, it looks like the Rankos might get long. And gold switched to a long bias. Oh, look at that. Okay, so maybe we'll get a trade in gold soon. Like I said, I gotta change the background color of my gold chart down here when you can see. Oh shit, I forgot about that. Is it 9:45 yet? What did it do today? What did the 15-minute opening range do? Ah, not doing well at all. Getting murdered. Closed. Well, I mean, the one that gets in right away on the close. No, that's not a good color. Very hard to get a a secondary color that's good. Maybe some kind of green. Lighter than that. Light sea green. Where's light sea green? See what it looks like. See how much lighter I got to get. Really? I have to get lighter than that? Oh my God. So let's try turquoise. Okay, that'll do for now. I'll play with it. I just got to know which one is the gold chart. Okay, we got above. We got above. Your numbers look better than mine. You're not seeing all my numbers. I PDLL'd in my top step. And what's going on in my Bulenox is my secret. Oh, Lord. No, to be honest with you, I'm swinging a real big heavy bet in Bulenox. I want to get 3 master accounts and trade them properly. Somehow, every time I swing the big heavy bet, the market says, you know what? You know that 80% 7-point rule you have? Well, it's not applicable today. Because you swung a real heavy bet. It's fucking crazy how that happens. I swear to God, I think psychologically, I can pick the losers. Deep down, I have some mysterious ability to pick losers when I'm swinging a heavy bet. It's crazy. I don't know how. I really don't. It just defies law. Shake my head. But it is what it is. Thank God for 90% sales, eh? Joker. Did you show up? No, you didn't. I thought Joker showed up. I wonder why he's not streaming. Okay, I'm going to get a short trade, and I don't know what I'm going to do. I might, let's see, I might swing a heavy bet. Maybe if people watch me do it, it'll work out differently. So I'm going to half port, and I got a full port. I'm gonna take a 30 lot short. I'll let you know when. The 5-minute chart's gonna go long. Oof. So I'm gonna do it in. Yeah, micros, of course. Yeah, I'll do 20. 20 is a good number. That gives me ad room. Oh, when the Saints go marching in is playing. That's that's fitting music for my trade. Okay, I'm short at 20 lot at 12. Short at 20 lot at 12. It's got to go down to 05. You know what? I like it. It looks like it is going to go. I was going to add. Okay, there's 05. That's even below 05. It worked out. You see, I used by the bid. I'll hold another 20 lot. I used Omnius size, and it worked out for me. Way to go. But I only made like $300. Yeah, but it didn't pass the account. It was supposed to pass the account. Yeah, the size wasn't big enough. Okay, we try again. Next time, 35. Okay, we're going to go to 35. Because when the... Yeah. Oh, shit. Is there news at 10? Because my strat's going to go long again. Another Stupid area to go long. Yeah. I added. I added on this trade. Let's see, 18, 11. I'll add here. I'll add, but I'll get out if I see a reason to. And it's very close to a reason to. And, oh, almost. 4, 18, 16. 11, 12. Okay. Make my price better. 15 and a quarter. So this is the only trade I'm going to manage now. I'm looking at gold. Gold's going to go short, but this is the only trade I'm going to manage now. Hopefully the algo can make some of its money back on my eval account. Lighten the position. Okay, so it's back to its 5 lot. Long at 10. Sim 102 in the end lost $127 on that trade on the 15-minute candles. Not a big loss because Sim 102 can really clean up. Let's see what we get. That would be so cool if it could turn the account green. $140, $150. Oh, it's true. I have to make up $460. This better be a good push. We've gotten over the previous day's close. Now the next magnet is the previous day's high, 564. So that's 40 points away. That would be kind of cool if we can see that. Well, yeah, the algo's long at 510, a 5 lot. So I need 40 points. Hopefully we can get to 550. Right now it's going in the wrong direction. Hey, maybe I'll add a 5 lot down here at 500. Yeah, I'll add a 5 lot at 500. Let it go up to 510. That'll be $100, right? 5 lot is $10 a point. 7, 8. I'll take 8. There we go. Now my average price is 502. So that was $50. Every little bit helps. Every little bit helps. We're back down at 500. 496. Oh, we broke it. I was thinking of adding. Good thing I didn't. What's gold doing? Gold might go short. Yeah, we're back over 500. I should have added. Okay, I'll add in the low 500s if I can get it 501. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Add. Didn't work. 498. Good. I get a better price. 504. 5, 6. There we go. That was another $60. 497. Let's do it again. Actually, I got filled. I think it's 495. No, don't go down. Don't break the low. It could be bad. There'll be stops there. It's going to look ugly. Boom. The algo is out. Now it's just me hanging on. Hopefully this is a wick. You faded me. Mm, okay, well, accept the loss. Whatever it is, accept the loss. Doing horrific. Let's get reorganized. We still have 2 more swings at a bat. Wait for the next setup. Gold's going back up again, huh? Wow, gold is doing weird shit. Oh, this is one of those situations. It looks like you should just go short and just hold it. Woo! There's another 10 points. I'm going to be stubborn. That's a move down, man. Anybody caught it? See, that's why I don't like the counter trend trade. Although my algo is a counter trend trader, so mm. I think Trump is thinking that the United States should become Canada's 13th province. He's thinking about that. Hey, hey, hey. It does. Let's get up to 34. $34. 27. Shit, damn. Not being nice. Keep swinging the bat. 13, 19 is good. Really? I only have 13? Now we got to get down to 06. Get down to 06. I see the hearts, JC. I don't even know if she hears me. Okay, they did it to me again. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Is that you? With that funny face? I don't know what it was. Happy face. Yeah, that's more appropriate after I took a loss. Wow, it's just crazy how off I am. It's just crazy. Push lower. Let's go. One more. Okay, that's it for the algo. Le algo is dead. It's not trading anymore today. The algo is benched. Wow. Almost not possible. Seriously, seriously. Let's get a red candle here. I'm sure it's going to be a single. No, no, that's me. I don't even know what you're seeing, but whatever it is you're seeing, it's me. The algo is still. Actually, I'm going to go turn it off. 5 minute. Leave the 15-minute one going. Let's see if we get down to 20 on the offer. Then we trade down to 320. Head to the previous day's low. It's a pretty strong candle down, actually. That's a pretty impressive move down. Let's go under 34. Come on, you fucker. Well, I'm going to be stubborn. Yeah, of course. Of course, it's not going to be a 1. $41. Come on, let's get up to 40. 36, 34, 33, 33, 34, 30. That's it. Another one gone. Another one bites the dust. I got one left. I got one sunflower seed left. It's unreal. If I go with the trend doesn't continue. If I go counter trend, that's crazy. It's just unbelievable. Let's try gold. Let's see if gold can get up to 343. Ah, no kidding. Yeah. That happens to me a lot, but it's not the driver. It's just that I turned it off. I didn't realize. Don't ask. I'm just clicking. I'm in a bad space. It's not funny. Well, I'm not touching my PAs. I'm just touching my evals. Just playing with my evals. Open gold makes a nice run. Yeah, of course it's going to make a nice run. Yeah, well, I saw the interview. It wasn't that they're banning people; they're just kind of moving them to live. The way I caught it, I didn't see that they were really banning anybody. Maybe I misunderstood. Did you see what's the guy's name? Not Jesse W. Joey Morgan. Uh, yeah, maybe I didn't watch that far. Yeah, well, Joey Morgan did an interview with the guy there. I forgot his name from Apex. Go take a look at it, maybe. I don't know. I don't remember their names. Nice. Gold made a little bit of a pop there. Shit, damn gold. Come on, come on, come on. Don't make a single move. I have to get out of gold. Now I'm. Yeah, yeah. I don't know. I think people always make a big fuss out of nothing when you read all the comments and stuff. Apex has always been mostly fair. Come on, make a second bar. Uh, oh, it's okay. It's 90% off fever. Think of it that way. I got the 90% off fever. Ugh. But if I were to analyze what's going wrong besides, well, no, I mean, in the last 8 trades, 1, 2, there's only been 3 winners. So that's a tough period for me. Look, nothing important's been touched really. I said the most important account that's been touched is the topstep, but I have a 270 PDLL in there, and that got triggered, so that's protected. I protect what's important. Evals, when evals were $12, I don't know. I'm taking it as an opportunity to try to increase my portfolio of funded accounts. I got one in Bulenox at $52,997.50. That's $2.50 away. And I got one that I'm working on now that's $300 away. Yeah, my daughter, I mean, much older than yours, but yesterday was her last day. Wow, nice. You got to bribe them with something. That's funny. I like that one. Hey, Joker, you're not streaming again this morning. Oh, you don't want to know. I'll take a screenshot for you and I'll send it to you in a DM. Here, I'll give you a quick preview. It's not going to stay up long. Look fast. 4, 5, 6. That's it. You got 6 seconds. If you missed it, rewind. Same old nonsense. But you know what it is? I was saying it's 91% off fever or 90% off fever. I want to get more funded accounts. But where it's working for me, believe it or not, is in Bulenox. I got one at 52,997, so that's $3 away. I got another one at 52,774, so that's $225 away. I'm not touching those now because I'm kind of trading reckless and I don't want to screw that up. But I have another one at 52,410. I'm going to try to get that one close. And then I think I'm just going to call it a day and work on other stuff. 62.59. Let's see if we can get up to 69 bid. I'm going to make a stand here. Every time I make a stand, it doesn't pay off. Come on, take me out. Let's go. 69 bid, I said. 67, 68. Wonderful. Finally. One time. I mean, shit, la mard, la damn mard. Today's a good day to go for breakfast with my kids. Alex, are you still in the room? Maybe. Oh, Megan's home too, eh? We can go all three of us. Wow. Dad with his 3 kids for breakfast. That would be cool. There's no fighting. I don't know. It depends what you order, what's on the menu. Bacon and eggs, bacon and sausage. But my kids like to order up the menu. They like to order they like the truck driver's breakfast, the one that comes with the pancake and the French toast and the extra this and the extra that. Regular 2 eggs and a side is not enough. Uh, no, Alex didn't reply in the chat. Okay, 52,837 for the third account. I guess I'll pass him next week. Try to get my rhythm back. Let's lower my size and get it a little closer. You know what? Every single error I make is related to, I would say, 2 things. One of the biggest ones is going counter trend. That's damaging for me, even though my algo does that. But that's fine because the algo can run separately on a separate account. I don't mind that, but not me. I shouldn't be doing it. And then when I do that, I don't respect my stops because I keep saying, it's going to turn, it's going to turn. It wouldn't be so bad if I respected my stops, but I don't. On counter trend because I'm thinking, this is where it's turning, this is where it's going, and then it drops another 100 points. Fuck, I'm not supposed to predict. No one is supposed to predict. React. Don't predict. Is that a prediction? Gold just went short. Let me see if I can take a gold for a 5 lot and finish up this account. I don't mean finish up in a negative way, I mean in a positive way. Yep, that's the secret. Well, statistically, there's still theoretically an 80% chance we trade up to 21,287. Okay, 52,900, $100 away. Let's take a 5 lot and NQ long. Right now, NQ, I just went long for a 5 lot. I'm $100 away from getting over the threshold. Hold on. Let me manage this trade. Boom, boom. 52,956. Getting up to 21,831, the Asia session highs, because we took out the Asia session high and we took out the Asia session low. So when you take out two sides, we revisit the first side. Yeah, and it happened. It traded. It came to fruition. We yesterday was we took out the low and then we took out the high. So I said we're going to visit the low at 21,440, and we did at 11 o'clock. We hit it. But 80%, I always have to remind, 80% is 80%. It's not 100%. There's still 20% of the time it doesn't happen. Yeah, maybe. Don't lose. Just get me close to 53,000 by like $1 or something, and 52,970. Okay, that's close enough. 52,970. So now I got one at 52,997 and one at 52,970. I can get there with 1 lots without risking anything. Let me just get to my third one here. Who are you trading with? Yeah, what firm? Oh yeah, Bulenox. Yeah, I'm on my Bulenox accounts now also. One move, one trigger, one entry, a 12 lot, go up 7 points, and my third account will also be at 53,000, and all will be good. My day will be over. What do we got to get up to? We got to get up to 69 bid for me to enter. How many? Well, That's nice. I'm excited. I want to go. Let me finish this trade. Come on, let's get up to 62 bid. 62 bid, it's not too much to ask. Don't take me out. I am. Let me lower the risk on this trade in case I don't want to lose too much. I want to be close to passing this account. What does it look like on the 1 minute chart? What are we looking at? Okay, we made a higher swing low. We made a higher swing high. I think I'll watch it. If we get a close below the swing low. What, Chip? Do you give any clues? You give any hints before I go? Is it a picture? Ah, you said you left me a present. Clues about the, yeah, I see it, the bear flag. Any clues about what the present is? Oh, a picture about what? I don't know. It's a picture. Come on, you bugger, get back up there. Where am I at even? I'm at 52,588. My only, wow, one trade today. Good man. Bush, you fucking pecker. There we go. 52.8, 2 micros on my funded. Nice. Yeah, I mean, it's a miserable day, sort of, but the only good news, I guess, or some of the good news is my PA account. I only traded one of them. It's up 121. I'm sure that's nowhere near what you're going to show me. I have a feeling it's going to be good news. But I have 3 Bulenox close to passing. I don't know if you were there around when I told you. I have one at $52,997, so $2.50 away. I'm not going to pass it today. The other one is $52,970, so $30 away. Hold on, I'm getting an ad here. And the third one is at $52,868, so $132 away. So I'll have three master accounts at Bulenox. That's the first time ever I'll have that. And boy, oh boy, I can promise you I'll be trading those carefully. PDLLs will get installed instantly at $200 a day. Just like Topstep. Topstep got taken out today with the PDLL, thankfully. I love PDLLs. Don't put them on my evals, which I probably should. Maybe a little more aggressive, like around 500 or 600. Yeah, 600. I think I'm going to do that in the future. I'm going to actually even write that down on my hand. 600. That's more than enough. That's 1/4 of a 50K. I'm going to start doing that. I'm going to see how that goes. I bet I'm going to like it. Yeah, for evals, I think that's enough. You know, it gives you an opportunity to trade a 5 lot or a 10 lot a couple of times. And if it's not working out, that's it. You're done. And you can come back to that account tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow, 4 times. What chip, bro? You killed it. Ah, you got to see it. Okay. Evening meaning after 6 p.m. or the afternoon session? Okay, 52,973. I guess you can't get closer than that, right? Yeah, you can. I can start trading 2 lots. No shit. Wow. Joker, you ruined the surprise. You ruined the surprise. He said he had a present for me. That was the picture. Holy shit. Woodchip made $1,200 with 2 micros on his funded accounts. Good job. But chickened out and only booked 300. Okay, 52,983. Getting closer. My son didn't answer me for breakfast. Ah! That's funny. There we go. I don't want it to pass. $52,999.34. So I got one at 997, one at 999, and one at 970. Booked the win today. Good for you, Al. Al, what are you doing? You want to go for breakfast? Thinking maybe, whoever wants to go with the kiddies. Oh, shit. I don't know if I can. Someone's coming today over at 6:30. My dentist. OFT, all green and small. I ate already. Need to take pain meds. Oh, okay. Sorry about that, Al. All green and small. Way to go, OFT. Yeah, it was crazy. I don't know if you saw what Chip made $1,200 on his funded account with 2 micros. Thank you, Joker. You're welcome. Guys, hit the like button while you're hanging around. Always appreciate it. Yeah, way to go, what Chip. Also, as a reminder, it's 90% off at Bulenox. No, 91 at Bulenox, 90 at Apex. Use code FLOOR, except for Alex. Don't use code FLOOR. Use code JOKER. Already done that. Photoshopped, of course. Yes, Alex, use code JOKER. Do not use my code. Like ICT. Glad to hear that somebody at least shorted it. Yeah. I don't know what I was doing. I think I was playing Counter Trend Cowboy. Hey, what happened? Where did you go? I think your mic is off. Not pissed off, really. Earnings play, anything can happen. ICT is all hindsight. Yeah, you don't need ICT when you got futures floor. Yeah. That's the funny one of the day. Okay. Damn right. Futures Flare is the bomb. I'm the bomb diggity. Okay, one more push. And the third account gets there. I'm watching closely. Push. One more. I'll take it. Go, give it to me. Okay. OFT, yeah, don't really like ICT, but that's a good system for new traders because it includes stop level entry and price target entries are too late for me. So yeah, kind of hindsight. Yeah, no, I think there's validity. You can frame good setups around ICT. If you're disciplined and you do your homework and you make it your own. Yeah, because some people do the work, and Omnia said some people can and some people can't trade ICT. Because some people do the work and some people don't do the work. Do the work, make it your own, find your own setups within his um, world of theory, and work with that. Back test, forward test. Yeah, there's a million ways to make money, OFT. You don't have to trade ICT. I scalp and I do great when I'm disciplined and following my system. I think that's really what it all comes down to. 20% your system, 80% psychology, and whether or not you're able to execute. Of course, he took something already known and he took price action and called it his own. That's what he took. Consequent encroachment. What a fucking fancy, pretentious word. Consequent encroachment. How about 50% retrace? How did he even come up with that word, anyways? Every time I hear it, I think of a cockroach. Wow, Omnius, your music is funny. You go from grunge rock to romper room music. I don't know if you know what romper room is. Romper room is kind of like now you got the romper room music. Music you would hear in a daycare as the kids are going around calling, Barney, Barney's here. But before it was like real heavy metal grunge, you know? I said it's a real variety you picked. The only Okay. The only thing you don't have is opera. OFT says it takes a lot of time to learn. Yeah. So ICT is way better. You get faster and green with your trades. Let's try. I don't know. ICT is way better. ICT takes a long time to learn. Don't get me wrong, but not for me because of my background. Yeah, exactly. I don't bash ICT. I think he's good. My sons asked me if they should use ICT. I said yes. I'm not bashing him. Yes, heavy metal. Have you heard of No, I didn't know FD. There was a cute girl though in one of your videos with her head, I think, partially shaven. And I'm not sure I'm 100% convinced that's your voice. With all that raspiness, I would think you would bleed into your throat after a concert. No, I'm talking to someone in my. It is your voice. Yeah, talking. No, sorry, I'm just talking to someone in the room. No kidding. OFT, it doesn't get raw in your throat after singing a concert like that. Kind of like that heavy metal hard rock that you were playing before. It's hard to find. Let me ask him if he minds. OFT, do you mind if I send a link to Omnius to see your videos? Or you want to keep it... No, it's scream vocals. Nothing to do with... No kidding. Too long story, but sound comes out. Okay. If I were to try it, like I said, after 2 songs, my throat would bleed. Okay, cool. I'll send it. I showed it to my wife. We enjoyed. We watched some video. Yeah, you're gonna like it, Omnius. You're gonna like it. Markets are getting up to what I'll do, Omnius, I'll send it to you, I think, through TikTok because it's on my cell phone. Do you know Only Futures Trader? Omnius. It's Only Futures Trading. Do you know the streamer Only Futures Trading? Have you checked him out, his stream? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah. Give him a subscription. Give us. I think you're a subscriber of Joker. Okay. He trades good. I like the way he trades. Voice comes from muscles that support the vocal cords. And rest from the stomach. I speak with different muscles. Hmm. Voice comes from muscles that support the vocal cords. That's interesting. My daughter's a respiratory therapist. I'm going to ask her about that because she knows about that whole area over here. But you still got to have the vocal cords vibrating to get that, no? There's vibration. The vibration causes. I'm talking to OFT, Al. The vibration causes friction. Yeah. Oh, no, he doesn't listen. He plays. He's in a band. Well, when you invite me to Finland, you'll show me. You'll show me where it comes from. No, I'm also talking to Omnius. Alex, did you ever subscribe to Omnius? Go to Omnius Trades. Go give him a sub. Hold on, let me get you a link. Go give him a sub. Go say hi. Go tell him Futures Floor says hi. Or Mike. Or Al. You would hurt your vocal cords if you would sing with those. That's a deal. Yeah, first one. You know what? The first one to make, I don't know how much. What do we got to do? We got to come up with a number. 100,000. I think that's good. First one to make 100,000. I'd love to go to Finland. I mean, for me, Finland, Greenland, the one beside Australia, I always forget it. Just a little bit lower. Beautiful, beautiful place. No, not subscribers. 100K cash. Trading profits. It's probably not going to be me. Oh, and the person who gets to 100K trading profits has to pay the other person's trip. Ah, lordy, lordy, lordy. That means I'm getting a free trip. Yes. A free trip. It'll give me. I'm a competitive guy. I'm a competitive guy. So now I got a goal. Problem is, you don't want to come here. Yeah, okay. Since he doesn't mind, OFT. What's the name of the band? Well, the YouTube channel. I have to check on my phone. I don't have my phone here with me. I did it all on my phone. I don't have it on my desktop. Give me a link again, as I may. Let me type it in here for Omnius. Right there, 3 words. Florida, Al. He's from Florida. Another great place to live. No, it's not. Oh, I think that's well, let's no, no, Alex, he's my son. He's from Quebec like me. Alex is my boy. Yep. And I was wearing a sweater. Yeah, and I was wearing a sweater. Well, that's the thing. I'm in the basement, and it's very hard to control the temperature. Yeah, no, I'm sure you're gonna like it. I knew you'd like it because I hear what you listen to. Hmm. I hear it though. I hear it coming through your stream. You might get a copyright strike. I don't know why I hear it coming through your stream. I do. No, I don't hear the other music. That's the problem. Uh-oh. I just got over 53,000 again. food to my boys. See ya. Okay, take care. Speaking of the boy, time to eat. Need to make food for my boy. See ya. Take care, OFT. That was fun. Not foot. Food. Food. Oh, he's gone. Oh, Thief, you're still around. He's adding some Spotify sounds. Songs. Oh, he's still there. How old's your boy, OFD? Omnia says, As I May is good trading music. I knew he'd like it. You got another fan. Two and a half years. Oh, young boy. Don't get 5090. It's super hot. 24 Celsius in the room. He's listening to My Last Breath. Good song, he said. I'd be a terrible interpreter, eh? I only say half the sentence. I hear it again, Omnius. Oh, okay. Raise it. Oh, yeah, your own studio. Okay. It's very quiet, eh? Your background music? Just so you know. Yeah, but I hear the words. I hear the words. Turn it down. No, your music is very, very far in the background. It's very quiet. That's what I'm saying. That's it. Serious, guys. Yeah. Strange. Uh, yeah. I mean, I hear you very clearly, very loud. Guys, 8 people in the room, and Omnius got only 1 extra subscriber. Come on, guys. Omnius Trades. Didn't I put up a link? I think I put up a link. Let me put up the link again. You don't even have to stick around. Just go sub. There you go. That's the link to Omnius' stream right now. You get to see him. He looks like, who does he look like? I forgot. He reminded me of someone. Anyways, he's wearing a hat. He's wearing a hat. Let me look closely. The hat says, it says Futures Floor. That's funny. I'm in a trade now. Give me his. Nah, it's small. Oh yeah. Yeah, you're in a little corner, and then it's just your hat, so You're in the corner. You're in the bottom right corner of your screen. You're not full screen. Oh, okay, there you're a little bit bigger now. Let me put it full screen. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, Bike Week, 83 years. Daytona. Daytona. Okay, forgive my geographical ignorance. Daytona, that's in South Carolina, right? That's not in Florida. But no, but Daytona, is that in Florida or is that in California, South Carolina? No, Daytona's Florida. Yeah, Florida. Yeah, Florida. That's where they do spring break all the time, no? Hmm. Okay. Yeah, I heard. You had to come up with something to make me not like this. Not like DeSantis. That's the wrong sentence. But you had to come up with one policy DeSantis has that I don't like. He's a good guy. I think he has his head on straight and he cares. Yeah, that's just how it works. Not going to get anybody that you like everything. As long as he governs with common sense and shit, I can't get up. I can't get close. Got to be careful here. What time is it? 11:12. Mm. Hey, we got another one. We're up to 71. Well, Omnius, that was the best I could do. I got you 2 subs. I tried my best. You know what I noticed though? When I get people in my channel, like 10, 11, 12 people, when I tell them to subscribe, when I see my viewers and I see like there's 10 people in the room and I say, hey guys, hit the sub button, it's funny, but I swear to God, every time I say it, it's like 30% of the people in the room leave. Almost almost as if they're shy because they don't want to subscribe and like I could see them or something. It's the weirdest thing. Hey guys, hit the subscribe button. Boom, my views fall by 30%. Or my viewers, whatever, the amount of people in the room. And almost every time I do it, you can count on it happening. I don't do it much anymore, actually. I don't ask anymore to tell people to subscribe. I think if they're interested, they'll subscribe. You don't really have to coax them into it. They're having a good time. They're laughing. No, I think you'll just see your numbers go down. I don't want to make a stupid mistake. Bama, it's 10. No problem. Sounds good. Yeah, talk soon. No, I'm gonna get up also. I had enough. I'm gonna do stupidity anyways if I stick around. Take care. Have a good day. Okay, wood chip. We have some time. Let's go into Discord. Wood chip sold at 21,738 and covered at 441. That's 300 points. Good man. Wow. Took that short even before the market opened and then caught the dump and held. Good trade. Let's see if I can squeeze it up on my, oh, no, sorry, wrong screen. There. Hopefully, I knew it was going to go full screen. Let me try again. Got to make it smaller if you guys want to see it. Oh, I think there you go. You guys should be able to see it. That's the wood chip trade. A banger. A grand slam. Granddaddy of all trades today. I don't know what that means. The pillow helped. Are you talking about my pillow? Do you have a my pillow? What's that guy's name anyways, Mr. My Pillow? The My Pillow man. Shit, I should know his name. I mean, I can go look it up, but My Pillow. Remember, he started at $100 a pillow almost when he started. Ah, okay, 3:30 my time. Chuck? Chuck? Lindell, no? Chuck Lindell? Isn't that his name? Or something Lindell? Started at $100 a pillow. Last commercials I saw on Fox News, it was like $19. Seems like a good guy, though. I haven't bought up My Pillow yet, but I would buy them if they sold them in stores. I never get why people have good products and they don't sell them in stores. Yeah, I know he did. Terrible. It's terrible what happened. People are so stupid. It's just fucking politics. There's always going to be politics because we're a large bunch of people in this world and we need government. You can't just let it run rampant. You need leadership. There's always going to be people supporting one leader or the other. It's retarded. People are silly. Okay. Mm. Well, 69 comes. I'll be looking potentially for to maybe take a short. Mm. I gotta let some of the coffee I've been drinking go swimming. Booyah. Long at 481. I made a good call in Luna Trades. Room today. Called out the entry, the take profit, the stop loss. Got close to the stop loss by about 4 points, 3 points, but then it went to take profit. It's hard to call a trade in a chat room because there's a delay. You called a trade and yeah, this morning. It was early. I think it was like 7 o'clock or something. Joker was in there also. What's the range? 14 points. I mean, it's pretty good, the range. I don't know. I think it clutters the space, maybe. One or two, yeah. But if you got everyone shouting out numbers, then it just becomes noise. I'm short, I'm long. My target's here, my target's there. Either way, it's good. Hmm. I did. I officially did. Actually, it was right around the time you shorted, I think, almost. Kind of looks six. No, nine. Sorry, I see your short was around 9 o'clock. Yeah. No, this was earlier. This was around 7:30, 7:45. I have a phone call. I don't know who it is. I'm not getting it. There's a there's a pull. Ta-da! Keep you guys busy. Oh, voicemail, but I have bad news. I haven't set up. I'm working the futures floor code 150K count, 157.25. Yeah, I'm going to get a bunch of them renewing on June 2nd. I guess I'll start getting on those again. I got to see. I'm working hard to build up my portfolio quickly. I wait on a VM. I'll call it back and hang up. I don't answer. I don't check the messages. Leave me alone. Not interested. Unless I'm waiting on a call, like at the doctor or something, and I know they're supposed to call. Fuck off. I'm pretty sure they're not calling me to tell me I won the lottery. I'm pretty sure about that. So I don't need to go and figure out how to use my voicemail that I never set up. If I never set it up, how are they leaving a message? That's what I want to know. Oh shit, this is too big of a position. I need it to go up. What am I at? 929. Wow, I screwed up. 52, 929. I'm building my way back up. Believe it or not, I was at 53,000. I never answer the phone. Yeah, we never answer the door here either. We don't even move. The doorbell rings, the dog barks. None of us even turn our head or even think about it. It's like, fuck off. We didn't invite anybody over. I don't want to answer the door. If it's somebody I know, they'll call me and they'll say, hey, I'm at your front door. Why aren't you answering? Oh my God, yeah. We have so many of them here. It's crazy. And on the phone, 972. Actually, we changed our number once. It was so bad. All these calls from China. You want to know how to make money? We have prescription meds for you. All these weird calls. Or the good old days when the guy came to your door and he was selling a vacuum or an encyclopedia set. $9.84, getting there. Let's go to a one lot. We don't want to cause damage. $9.92. 52 $9.92, just so you know. Okay, markets are going down. There we go. 52, 998.70. $1.30 away. The other one is 70 cents away, 999.34, 998.70, and I have a 52, 997.50. So there we go. No, I was going short. You know what, Al? If you're still in the room, I think let me just do orders. Cancel all orders. Positions. Flatten everything. Yes. Okay. So that was a decent day. The only bad news really for me is hey, Sim 102, the 15-minute chart is doing good. The only bad news for me is the topstep account hit the PDLL minus 297. So now it's at 51,834. And I'm in lockout. Hmm. Okay, now it's going to be time to get some good payouts from Bulenox. Wow, you know what I can't believe? I'm not telling you. What time is it? 11:35. Okay, well that was a fun poll. Good. It's good to know nobody answers the phone. I won't be calling any of you. A cool level. 462, 534 stop. Short. Interesting. But yep, that's what I would be. I would be short. Excuse me. That would have been a winner. Wait, let me see. That would have been a winner. That would have been a winner. Loser. And currently long. The 5-minute chart is long. Let's see. The 5-minute chart is long at 441. Wow, it's up 16 points already. Eh, the 15-minute chart might take another trade. Let's see what it does. And as I said, I think it's, yeah, not I think, I know it's trading on Sim 102, which is up 261. It's a good system. The only problem is, no, not a problem. I just have to put in a timer so that it doesn't trade at 9:30. It waits. Okay, I think I'm going to call it quits here. No co-stream tonight. We're going to take it easy, relax, and I'll be back tomorrow morning. Co-stream most likely will be back next week, starting next week. Where's Sparky? We need 3 meows. Sparky is taking a cat nap. But I do believe, not financial advice, but I do believe we will be heading lower. We'll see. Entertainment only. Terrible. You have to give those stupid disclaimers. They're boring. They're boring. They're like speeches at a wedding. They're boring. Ah, it's turned off. Okay. I understand. Okay, guys. Like I said, I'll be back tomorrow morning, 9:15. Thanks for showing up. 91% off Bulenox. Use code FLOOR and 90% off Apex. Still, they extended the sale. So use code FLOOR. Subscribe, hit the like button. I'll be back tomorrow morning, 9:15. Or earlier if I can. I always try. Maybe tomorrow I won't have stuff to do, extra work to do. So show up at 6, 7 o'clock. But it was a fun stream. Sorry, it wasn't a fun stream. Sorry for all the yawning. And talk to you guys. Check you guys out. See you tomorrow. Take care.